Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Sherry 4x4. I just got done driving. Now I'm going to be reviewing this 2014 F-150. This is a crew cab, FX4, lifted, sitting on Mickey Thompson 35s. Sweet ride. Let's check it out. So being a Lariat, it's really going to be one of the higher trim levels that's offered in the F-150. You're going to get your leather seats. You're going to get wood grain dash here. Navigation on the radio, backup monitor, of course. Also has the backup sensor, so as you get close to something, maybe a kid left their bicycle behind the truck, it's going to warn you. It's got heated seats and air conditioned seats up front here, as well as AM and FM and satellite radio. You got some more radio controls and heating and air conditioning controls down here. It is automatic heating and air conditioning, and it's dual zone. So you got your driver zone and passenger zone, and of course you can sync them together. Automatic transmission. This is going to be a 6-speed to the 3.5 liter V6 twin turbocharged engine. Really a sweet engine that Ford put together. The factory books in it, Ford rubber mats. Overall interior is very clean. Being the FX4, this is more the off-road. Ford F-150 got 4-wheel drive control there. Is set up for towing. Got the electronic brake controller from the factory right there, which is really nice. Does have 58,030 miles on it as I was shooting in this video. Not a single warning light on it. It's got the aftermarket boost meter, aftermarket air filter, and then right here your PSI gauge right here. Does have automatic headlights, power windows and locks, and then power mirrors, and check them out. They fold as well. Really great on a truck this size to have that option. Overall, like I said, the little nooks and crannies, everything really looks clean and fresh. Got a couple USB hookups down in there. And oh, let me check this out. One owner, again, fresh trade. Scores literally off the charts. Never been in an accident or anything like that. So let's check out the outside. Exterior, we got the pearl white. Being a Lariat, you're going to have the chrome grille here, chrome bumper, chrome tow hooks. Has aftermarket chrome XD 20-inch wheels, again sitting on 35 Mickey Thompsons. Tread on the tires are really good. And then it's got a lift to support that bigger wheel and tire. I got the wheel cranked all the way. You can see there's still plenty of clearance here. Definitely professionally done. It's got the Ford chrome step. It's got the kick plate on the doors in chrome as well. Protect it and also add to the appeal. Get the doors unlocked. Chrome door handles here. Tinted windows, crew cab, so you get a giant area back here for the passengers. All leather seats. Got a nice container down there for your cargo. Down here it does have a 150 watt, 115 volt outlet and a 12 volt outlet as well. Also, it's got the moonroof in here. Coming along, fuel fill back here. Overall, looks really clean on the outside and the inside. Got the rails on the bed to protect the bed. Also the tonneau cover. This is a locking tailgate, so the stuff in here is going to be protected. The chrome bumper. It's got the sensors back here. Got aftermarket dual exhaust. Really looks good and sounds good. Back here for your trailer, it does have 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. Coming over to the passenger side, the fender flares look really good. Everything on this truck looks like it's been done right. So if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us. I'll post a link below where you can check out current pricing, availability. Also, financing is available on this particular truck. You can get pre-approved right from your home or wherever you're at. Just do it right on your tablet or phone or computer, and there's a link below for that. Also, if you have a trade-in, we'd love an opportunity to make you an offer on it, and you can do that right from home as well on the link below. If you're looking for a sick, not heavily used. F-150 sitting on 35s. This is a sweet option.